Dear students, CBSE has prescribed Part A, Foundations of Business for 40 marks, Part B, Finance and Trade for 40 marks, and Part C, Project Work for 20 marks. CBSE Class 11 Business Studies students. Part A. There are 6 units in Part A. In Part B, there are 4 units, and Part C is related to project work. Today, we will start the Part A, Foundations of Business. In this part, Foundations of Business, we will start first unit, Nature and Purpose of Business. This is our first unit and also our first chapter. The name of the chapter is Nature and Purpose of Business. Nature and Purpose of Business. Let's start. In this chapter, Nature and Purpose of Business, the main learning objectives of this chapter are Introduction, Types of Human Activities, Concept of Business, Concept of Profession, Concept of Employment, Difference between Business, Profession and Employment, Classification of Business Activities, Industry, Commerce, Branches of Commerce, Objectives of Business, and Business Risk. Before start this chapter, I want to ask from you how we can satisfy our wants. Yes, you tell me how we can satisfy our wants. Your answer definitely will be by doing work. Yes, हम अपनी wants को कैसे satisfy कर सकते हैं? Only by doing work. Yes, you are absolutely right. You are absolutely correct. By doing work, we can satisfy our wants because work is an essential part. Yes, work is an essential part of human life. Work helps to satisfy human wants. If we want to satisfy our wants, then we have to do work. With the expansion of science and knowledge, जैसे जैसे science and knowledge बढ़ी है, there has been a tremendous means in a large quantity increase in the number of human wants भी increase हुई है. So an activity performed by a human being in order to meet his wants is called the human activity. What is human activity? An activity performed by a human being. An activity performed by a human being in order to meet his wants, in order to meet his requirement, in order to meet his needs, अपनी requirement, अपनी wants को पूरा करने के लिए एक human being जो activity perform करता है is called the human activity. An activity performed by a human being to meet his wants is known as human activity. Some of human activities are performed to earn money. Some of human activities are performed to earn money. Means in order to gain money. In order to get money, human beings perform some activities. But all activities are not related to earn money. Some activities are also a human being perform in order to get the personal satisfaction, in order to get the mental satisfaction. So it means human activities. We can divide the human activities into two types. There are two types of human activities. First one are those activities which are performed by human beings in order to earn money is called the economic activities. And those activities which are performed by human beings, in order to get the mental satisfaction, in order to get the personal satisfaction are called the non-economic activities. Yes, वो एक्टिविटी जो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग मनी को अर्न करने से रिलेटेड करता है, that activities are called the economic activities. And those activities which are not related to earn money but related to get the personal satisfaction, related to get the mental satisfaction are called the non-economic activities. Types of human activities. All human beings are engaged in some activity or other. Yes, all human beings are engaged in some activity or other in order to satisfy their basic needs. For example, farmers, जो farmers हैं are busy, वो busy हैं in their fields में. Workers are working in their factories, वो factories में काम कर रहे हैं. Professionals, CAs, doctors are busy in their professions. So all human beings are busy in some activity or the other activity in order to satisfy their basic needs. Some human beings perform the activity in order to earn money is called the economic activity, and other activities are performed by human beings in order to get the mental satisfaction, in order to get the personal satisfaction, are known as non-economic activities. There are two types of human activities. First one is the economic activities undertaken to earn money, and second one are the activities which are not undertaken to earn money but undertaken to get the satisfaction, undertaken to get the personal satisfaction, are known as non-economic activities.